Welcome everybody, I'm your host Spark Arrester. Today we're going to be doing some maintenance to this Troy-Bilt TB110 lawnmower with the Briggs Stratton 550EX engine. The maintenance that we're going to be doing today, super simple, just an air filter swap out. We got the Briggs Stratton OE filter here, and here is the part number if you're so inclined, and you can pick this up at Lowe's for around $12 a piece. Getting into the filter is super simple. Just pop this little tab, lift out the tabs in the bottom, and then we'll remove our filter. I personally like to clean out the housing and clean out the little cover. I just use a little carbon choke cleaner myself and then turn around with a rag, wipe it all out, make sure it's all clean and dry. And once that's all dried out, I can turn around and just push in my new filter for the reinstall, and then reverse with my cover, pop in the little clips on the bottom, and lift up and make sure it locks in place up top, and that filter is all swapped out. After that, I'd fire up the mower, make sure she's running just fine, and it's time to get cutting some grass. Maintenance complete. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was entertaining for you. Please like it if you liked it, dislike if you didn't like it. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Please consider subscribing, it really helps me out. I do other videos on this channel of maintenance and repair of big vehicles, small vehicles, and medium-sized vehicles, as well as I do tool reviews and random automotive adventures whenever I possibly can. Please check out my other videos. Hope you guys enjoy them, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks. Y'all have a good one.